In this video we will make a mural pattern for interior or exterior wall. This consists of a pattern-based family which in turn consists of an adaptive family. So first we will make the adaptive family. Create a new file adaptive type. Place 2 points at the ref level and hold them and make them adaptive. Join the points with a spline. Hold the line and check the box is reference line to make this reference line. A reference line is not visible in the other file into which this file is going to be loaded as against a model line which is black and is visible in the other file. Place a point at the line. Make sure that Draw on Face option is on. Set a vertical plane at the line and draw a rectangle over it. Make the sides of the rectangle as reference lines. Place aligned dimensions between the side of the rectangle and the point. Align the lower side to the point and lock. Create dimension parameters for width and depth of the rectangle. Copy everything and copy and paste at the screen 2 more times. Hold the point and press Pick New Host button and place the point at the line again. Create a new depth parameter for the middle rectangle. Change the normalized curve parameter value of the endpoints to either 0 or 1 to make them to lie at their respective endpoints. Make the central point NCP to 0.5 so that it lies at the midpoint of the line. Hold the first 2 rectangles along with the reference line and create a form. Also hold the middle and last rectangle together with the ref line and create another form. Filter out the 2 forms and create a new material parameter. Create a new file pattern base type and hold the grid and from the drop-down menu select the half-step pattern. Change the horizontal and vertical distance values. Go back and load the first file into this file. Place the component at 2 points and place 2 components. Since the first file is a shared file, the type parameters cannot be associated with new parameters. So go back to the first file and make all the parameters instance parameters. Reload and overwrite the file. Create the new associate parameters. The two components in this file have different shapes. To change their shapes, the depths of the two components have to be different. For one of the components, the depth of the two rectangles, that is depth at the end and the depth at the midpoint, have been interchanged. Create a new file, conceptual mass type. And the ref level, place a rectangle and create a form. Hold the front face of the form and divide surface. Load the curtain panel into this file. And hold the surface and select the new file from the drop-down menu. Adjust the grid numbers. Tab through and select the curtain panel type family and assign material. Change the other values as required. Go back to the first file, adaptive type, and filter out the central point and assign a normalized curve parameter to it. Make the normalized curve parameter an instance parameter. Load the file back into the curtain panel file and overwrite file. Create an associate parameter for the normalized curve parameter. Do this for both the components. Load the file into the third file and overwrite. Create an associate parameter for NCP. In order to create the pattern, we want to change the NCP value of the components in a certain way. So first tab through and hold each curtain panel component set and assign a NCP parameter. We have to assign a different NCP parameter name to each of them. The normalized curve parameter is a ratio of the distance of the point from the respective end divided by the total length of the line. Therefore, the value of NCP is always less than 1. A sine curve can be formed by sine values of numbers at regular interval. Use sine values of 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on to create a pattern.